And I responded, I want what I paid for. Alright, why is Danielle? Today I'm gonna go to every coffee shop I haven't been to in Atlanta and try it. Thank you. But this is their coffee. It's like, it's plain, like, there's no branding. Like, how am I supposed to like show off? I don't even know. I'm gonna give Dancing Ghost a 5 out of 10. This one tastes really chemically. Why don't we read the worst reviews for the coffee shops that we're going to? The drive-thru experience and the coffee were fine, but the staff is underwhelming. Like, how does staff become underwhelming? Why is no one coming in until 8:30 on the weekend? Okay, so we need to see when we get to this window, is there like a customer interaction? I used to order the white chocolate mocha and vanilla white. Quality doesn't seem good. It tastes like water, like not chocolatey. I used to give $400 to $500 a month in coffee. Wow. Do you like the coffee here?
Yeah, it's very good.
I never had it. I'm doing a YouTube video trying every cold brew in Atlanta.
Oh, are you? Yeah,
So yeah, all right, thank you. Customer interaction based off of Rats said the drive-thru experience was underwhelming to staff. I don't think the staff was underwhelming. I feel like with my generation, it's like we just want to get our shit and go. This is Caribou coffee. This is amazing. Like, it has the brand on it and everything. That's a 0 out of 10. It has no flavor. It tastes exactly like water. It's like if you were to take coffee beans and set them in water all day, put it in a cup, you tasted it was too strong, so you added 3 cups of water on top and drunk it. No. Caribou, 0 out of 10. Let me look up the salt. First bad review. Absolutely a miss. The cookie was okay. Coffee was good. They're saying the Salty Donut is a donut shop that also sells coffee. It's pretty new here to Buckhead. I think it just opened, what, 2 months ago? Pretty stoked to try this. This is a 2-star. Visited Sunday afternoon. Most of everything was out, which is understandable. However, felt it was overhyped. Wow, I just missed the turning lane. Bruh, that's... Ooh, I'm about to cut in front of them. I'm about to cut them off. Oop, okay. So I think we need to set a goal for today. I've been to 2 coffee shops already. I really need to go to about 5. I think 5 will be great. These coffee shops probably close at 7. We got it. This is the Salty. I paid $5.62 for this. This is nasty. You know what? Let's move Caribou up to a 1.5 and let's just 0. Negative 100. Oh my God. If I drive to Midtown, by the time I get there, it's 6:09 right now. By the time I get there, it's gonna be almost 7 o'clock. So there is no need to go all the way over there and get coffee. So I was like, fuck! I literally was like, fuck! So now I'm at Starbucks. I think we should look at the reviews on this Starbucks location just to see like, did anything wild happen here? Because it's Atlanta, so you know, stuff goes on all the time. We now have the mother. I say Starbucks is like the mother of all coffees because you either love Starbucks or you hate it. No in between, just like you love your mom or you can't stand her. Damn, the first review was the worst review 3 months ago. I received very poor service today from 2 employees. I also noticed that the main barista was doubling the amount of ice in customers' cup and not giving the total. Oh fuck, I just spilled it. I don't know, I feel like it's regular ice at Starbucks though. The girl automatically got an attitude and says, so you want light ice? And I responded, I want what I paid for. All right. Then the guy in the back started having an attitude like I was a bother. It's crazy that she went home and actually measured the cup. Like, what the fuck? And she compared it to a water bottle. Daniela made my drinks and set them down. A customer reached across and knocked my venti soy latte down. That's very specific. Okay. Over the counter onto me and my clothes. The customer apologized, asked if she was going to make me another drink, and Danielle, bro, why is Danielle? I didn't meet a Danielle today, but I'm like, I should go in there and see what Danielle is talking about. And then she took a picture of her boots. Okay, we all know what Starbucks tastes like, but yeah, no difference. Like Starbucks, I'm gonna give it a 7 out of 10. So here we got the Salty. We got the Salty in here. Oh shit. It's spilling. Duh, it's spilling. Now we have Caribou. And now we have the best, Dancing Goats. And then we have Starbucks. It's just gonna make like the ultimate coffee, you know. I don't know, but that's a win in my book. I'm about to like drink this ultimate coffee pack, and yeah, that's it right there. I just wanted to come up to you guys and let y'all know that I have to violently shit and pee.